Yep, chemistry. I'd like to say that most of my problems in chem were due to the weather since it's such an easy scapegoat. We did have about a month and a half in which we didn't have school because of the snow days. And while I actually enjoy snow days and torrential downpours, the problem with it is that you're not thinking about school, and getting back into the swing of school is difficult. Now, I'd never really done chem lab before. I'd never enjoyed chemistry either, but this was interesting. We had mostly groups of just 2, but by the end of the semester it was like 2 or 3 groups of 5 or 6, since people had dropped. So you got me, the ADHD guy, and a couple of girls who kind of know what they're doing, I guess. Don't know if I mentioned it, but the ADHD guy also was the that's what she said guy, and by the end of the semester, we were all kind of making that's what she said jokes out of chemistry.
We're making crack cocaine.
No, we're making aspirin.
It's huge. It won't go down.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. I didn't started it.
You can work this thing pretty good, right?
Sorry.
I was thinking that.
Then there's a few awkward questions when you've got a camcorder in the room.
What are you doing?
Without the coding.
Because I vlog. Still, it made for a fun and interesting experience most of the time, and I'm very glad that I'm through with it.
Handle sulfuric acid with care.
It's kind of a big duh, right?
I was gonna put it in the water.
Hang on.
But it's time! Look at this face.
Smell that. Take a look at that.
Woo, holy, my nose hair.
It smells like salt and vinegar chips.
Yes, it does. Oh, now we know how they make them with aspirin.
It smells like salt and vinegar chips.
They make aspirin and just soak the chips in that.
It wasn't vigorous at all.
Ew.
That's one more. It puts the lotion on the skin.
Sure. Teacher's not here, let's do anything.
You need to ask for it,
Okay, we wait a minute to 2 minutes.
Still think it's funny that we're using your iPhone.
Yeah.
Okay, another 2 to 3 minutes.
This is what the classroom looks like when it's empty. Except for us, the last one's here. What are you trying to look cool?
Hey, you know that she was reading my phone.
A text message just randomly popped up while I was waiting for the alarm clock. Put it in your mom's stinky star. I don't want to know what a stinky star is.
You can already guess.
You can guess.
I didn't want to guess. She won't let us take it.
It's like flaming.
Are you flaming?
It's huge.
Hoarding a tube.
That's what she said.